Are you ready? Are you ready? Get set, go! Hurry, 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 don't be slow. Eat your breakfast, drink your juice up, everything's so yummy. It's CBeebies, get set, go! It's CBeebies, get set, go! Tikkabilla, Tikkabilla, fun for you and me. Tikkabilla, Tikkabilla, watch and you will see. Things to do, people to meet. We've got the whole world at our feet. At Tikkabilla, Tikkabilla, it's a wonderful place to be.
Hello! Hello, and welcome to Tikkabilla. Oh, hello, Tamba.
Hello. Hello.
Ooh, what's in the bag, Lorna? Is it some yummy tummy food or I could do with a snack?
Oh, me too. I'm hungry. Is there something for me to eat in your bag, Lorna?
Oh, well, there is something to eat.
Oh, great!
What is it? Oh, I hope it's a banana or a cheese sandwich and a drink of juice.
Oh, and I hope there's a crunchy apple. Oh, and a peanut butter sandwich. And a nice cup of tea. Actually, I could eat anything, Tamba.
Yummy, yummy, rumbly tummy. Yummy, yummy, rumbly tummy.
We're in the mood
rumbly
for some funny tummy food.
Yummy, yummy, rumbly tummy. They're in the mood for some funny tummy food.
We'd start with a slice of onion ice, and then we'd bake a broccoli cake.
They'd start with a slice of onion ice, and then they'd bake a broccoli cake.
Next we'd try
they'd try
a yogurt pie,
a yogurt pie,
and finish it off with some toffee coffee.
toffee coffee.
'Cause we're in the mood for some funny tummy yummy tummy food.
Now you two, what else are you in the mood for?
Oh, a good question. We're in the mood for some funny tummy
Yummy,
food.
yummy, rumbly tummy. They're in the mood for some funny tummy food.
We'd like some smiley faces and chocolate laces and
custard stew
with jelly that's blue.
Some smiley faces and chocolate laces with custard stew and jelly that's blue.
Then tuna ice cream
Tuna ice cream.
and marmalade beans.
Marmalade beans.
and cheese that's mixed with raisins and peas.
Raisins and peas.
'Cause we're in the mood for some funny tummy yummy tummy food.
Okay, you two, what else are you in the mood for?
We're in the mood for some funny tummy food.
Yummy, yummy, rumbly tummy. They're in the mood for some funny tummy food.
We want a turkey muffin with a raspberry stuffing and strawberry sauce with bacon, of course.
A turkey muffin with the raspberry stuffing and strawberry sauce and bacon, of course.
And fish cakes with jam.
Fish cakes with jam.
With double cream and ham.
Double cream and ham.
If my tum still rumbles, we'll have a cabbage crumble.
Have a cabbage crumble.
'Cause we're in the mood for some funny tummy yummy tummy food. We're all in the mood.
All in the mood.
They're in the mood
For some funny tummy yummy tummy food.
Well, I'm sorry, Amit, and I'm very sorry, Tamba, but none of this food is for you.
Oh.
Raisins,
Raisins. I love raisins.
Me too.
some peanuts,
Oh, nuts. I love nuts.
Me too.
some mixed corn,
Oh, mixed corn. I love mixed corn. What's mixed corn?
I'm sorry, none of this is for you two. It's for the birds.
Huh? birds?
Oh, I see. These are all the ingredients we need to make some food to put out for the birds.
That's right.
But I thought birds eat worms and bugs. Are there worms and bugs in your bag, Lorna?
No, Tamba, no worms or bugs, just nuts and seeds.
Well, birds do like to eat worms and bugs. But in the winter, it can be difficult for them to find. So we put out some food for them.
Do you sometimes put food out for the birds?
Oh, can we go and give the birds the nuts and seeds now? I want to see the birds.
Not yet, Tamba. I'm going to use all these things to make a bird feeder.
There was lots of bird food in here, but I wonder if there's any Tamba and Amit food.
There we go. Now, these are all the things we're going to need to make our bird feeder. Now, I better put my apron on, because it might get a little bit messy. There we go. Now, let's get a handful of raisins, and let's put those into our bowl. A handful of mixed corn, and let's put those into our bowl. And a handful of nuts into the bowl. There we go. Now, so that we can hold all these things together, I've got some lard over here. Now, lard is a type of fat. And if I get one big dollop of that into there, I'll get my wooden spoon and I'm going to try to squash it down and break it up. Now, if you look really carefully, you'll see that all the nuts and the mixed corn and the raisins are starting to stick to the lard. I'll squash it down a little bit more. Do you know what? I think I might have to use my hands for this. Ready? Squish, squash, splidge, splodge. Oh! Now, I'm going to try to make this into a ball shape. Like that. Oh, wow. Now, so that the birds will be able to peck off this, I've got over here a twig from one of the trees in my garden. And if I push that into the middle of our bird feeder, there we go. Now you can either put that into the ground or you can hang it on a tree and the little birds will fly down and land on the twig and peck, 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 peck on our bird feeder. Now I think this is getting a little bit sticky. I think I might put it into the Tikkabilla fridge. And there's the windows. I wonder if we'll see some yummy food being made for us through the windows. How many windows? 1, 2, 3. Round, square or arched? Which one will it be? It's the round window. Angelina and Sita have come to find out how bagels are made.
Point to one, Sita. Can you find one? Point.
Let's see if they can find any.
Yes.
Bagels look like round bread rolls with holes in the middle. They make lots of bagels in this baker's. So they need lots and lots of flour. And a bucket full of water. Mix it up and make the dough. Wow, that looks heavy. A huge lump of dough to make bagels. bagels aren't that big though, are they? So this man's splitting the dough into smaller lumps. Look, it's getting smaller. I think that lump of dough is still too big to make one bagel. But look at this. What do you think's happening? Look, lots of little lumps of dough exactly the right size to make bagels. Sita and Angelina have come to have a look too. It's time for the lumps of dough to be made into bagel shapes. There they are. Bagels. Round bits of dough with a hole you can see right through the middle. Hi, Angelina. These bagels are being cooked in very hot water. There they are. Lots of bagels getting ready to go into the oven. Circles with holes in the middle. They're nearly ready, Angelina. Nearly time to taste them, Sita. Look, here they come. Lots of golden bagels. Circles with holes in the middle. Come on, let's taste them. Yummy!
When you've finished eating, don't forget to clean your teeth. Do you like to clean your teeth? Here's my toothbrush and here's my toothpaste. Squelch! Pretend to brush with me if you like. Brush, brush, scrub, scrub. Brushing our white teeth, all standing in a line. Brush, brush, scrub, scrub. Brush until they shine. Brush and scrub the front ones. Brush, 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 scrub, scrub, scrub. And brush and scrub the back. Brush, brush, scrub, scrub. Brush, brush, scrub, scrub. Every night and morning, brush, brush, scrub, scrub. You've got the knack. Or I've got some of the toothpaste all in the sink. Yeah, thank you. Oh no. I've got some toothpaste on my top. Ah, that sounds like the clock. I'll just get a tissue and wipe that off. Tikkabilla, Tokkabilla. Tikkabilla, tock. What's the time on the Tikkabilla clock? The long hand is pointing straight up to the number 12, so it's something o'clock. And the short hand is pointing to the number 10, so it's 10 o'clock. And look what's underneath the clock. It's a toothbrush and toothpaste, and it's bedtime for Sarah Jane and Justin in Higgledy House.
Oh, Higgledy Piggledy House. Higgledy Piggledy House. Higgledy Piggledy Piggledy Higgledy Higgledy Piggledy House.
Hello, Justin. Hello, Sarah Jane.
Are you playing Tiddlywinks? Who's going to go first?
Are you tired, Justin?
Justin, it's stuck on your nose.
Your turn, Justin. Justin. Justin!
Are you sleepy too, Sarah Jane? Off you go to bed then. Justin, you've got toothpaste all over your face. Justin, you're in the wrong bed.
Night-night, Sarah Jane.
Night-night, Justin.
night time, when it's time for bed and it's really dark outside and all is quiet and still, you can sometimes hear strange noises. Listen very carefully and see if you can guess what the sound is. Shh. Did you hear that? It sounds like snoring. It sounds like Tamba snoring. Oh, now that sounds like a bird to me, but it's a very special bird that comes out at night. It's got big round eyes and it goes do-it-do, do-it-do. An owl. Hey, that's not a nighttime sound. Do you know what sound that is? That's right, it's the windows. And there are some animals through the windows that live underground where it's very dark. But which window will it be? How many windows? 1, 2, 3. Round, square or arched? Which one will it be? It's the arched window. Do you know what animal this is? It's a mole. They live underground. Moles have strong front feet. They use them like shovels to dig tunnels. You can tell where moles have been by looking out for molehills. Molehills are made when they push up soil from their underground tunnels. We speeded this up so you can see lots and lots of molehills being made. Moles aren't fussy where they dig. This farmer's vegetables are in real trouble. Look! This mole is pushing them right out of the way. Off the mole goes. Here comes another underground animal. This one lives in Africa. It's a naked mole rat. They're a funny-looking animal, aren't they? They have long, sharp teeth to help them chew through the roots and earth. That's a really long tunnel. What a lot of digging to do. Hey, look! There's a squirrel. This one doesn't live in the trees, though. It's a ground squirrel. This is where it lives. It's a burrow that is big enough for the whole family. It keeps the baby squirrels warm and dry. Some are keeping a lookout. When there's danger, they can warn the other squirrels. Look at them quickly running for cover to the safety of their burrow. Oh, look! Why is there a bird underground? These are burrowing owls. They sometimes share the same burrows as the ground squirrels. They're not the only birds to make a nest underground. These are puffins. Look how colourful their beaks are. They're going to build their nest in this hole in the ground. They only lay one egg, so it's important to keep it safe. What a lot of underground animals we've seen.
I love them all. Digging.
They had really strong feet to dig and tunnel through the earth. So, how does a mole move, do you know? How does a mole move, do you know? It digs as it goes and tunnels below. Now we know, now we know.
How does a duck move, do you know? How does a duck move, do you know? It flips and it flaps. It flaps and it quacks. Quack, quack. Now we know, now we know.
How does a cat move, do you know? How does a cat move, do you know? It prowls, does a cat. It prowls just like that. Now we know, now we know.
It's time for us to make a move now.
Keep a lookout for other animals and the way they move.
And see if you can copy them.
See you next time.
Bye!
Tikkabilla, Tikkabilla, fun for you and me. Tikkabilla, Tikkabilla, watch and you will see. Tikkabilla, Tikkabilla, it's a wonderful place to be.
Hey, Sid!
Hey, Andy, what should we talk about today?
Oh, I thought we could talk about numbers.
Brilliant idea. What sort of number do you fancy?
How about 5?
5. A special little guy. Special like the Pentagon, which has 5 sides.
5. Fingers in the air, but I've got 5 more if I look over there.
5 toes in a shoe. Hidden in my sock in case they all shake loose.
5 green bottles hanging on the wall, fixed on tight so that none of them will fall. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. Pencils on the flower, heads up in the sunshine, looking for a shower. 5.
Lollies by my ear. I'm sure I counted 6. 1 has disappeared.
5. Days to go to school, and then you have a weekend, and that's the rule. 5.
It's full of surprise. Please don't leave me hanging. You
Got to give it 5. 5.
5. 5. 5. 5.
Welcome to the band. Let me show you round. Each one's a hand, making that zing-zilla sound. Why not come along to CBeebies? Take a look around. Music, fun and songs on CBeebies, making that zing-zilla sound.
Everyone can sing along with the Zing-Zillas. Weekdays at 5:15, only on CBeebies.
Oh yeah!
Hello, I'm just about to tuck into my breakfast and the sun is just about to come up over Teletubby Land. So let's get set, go.